Hello everyone, I am your friend Virendra Singh. Welcomes you back to my channel Medical Billing Hrcm Knowledge. At this YouTube channel I share videos on medical billing process to enhance your knowledge. In today's video I will share a detailed knowledge about one of the integral part of medical billing cycle. So before moving forward to this video, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel to get the notification of upcoming videos. Please share my videos with your friends who are beginner in medical billing and want to get detailed knowledge to understand medical billing process end to end to build a healthy career. So friends, in this video I will share a detailed information about payment posting to enhance your knowledge. First I will make you understand what is payment posting, then I will brief you about the types of payment posting, then I will share the information regarding the role of payment posting team in medical billing and the importance of an accurate payment posting in medical billing. At last I will explain the benefits of payment posting in medical billing. Friends, this video is going to be very informative, so please watch this video till the end. Let's understand what is payment posting. Friends, in my previous videos I explained the process flow of medical billing, in which I explained that the role of payment posting team starts after claim submission and processing. Once the claim is submitted to insurance, it enters into the adjudication process at insurance site. After the adjudication of the claim from the payer, the claim will be either paid or denied, and a document known as EOB or EOR, explanation of benefits or explanation of review, will send to the healthcare provider and insured. If the claim is processed towards payment from payer, then a check will be issued or EFT, electronic fund transfer, will be done to the provider from payer along with the EOB. Payment posting staff reviews these EOBs and log the payment details to the specific encounters in medical billing software for which payment details are received in EOB. Thus, payment posting is a process of logging the payment into the medical billing software. It is also known as cash posting. I hope the payment posting process is clear to you all. Now you should also know that a claim will be paid to provider only if the patient has signed the assignment of benefits documents, which is also known as AOB. If patient has not signed the AOB, then the payment will go to the patient. Next is types of payment posting. The payment posting process has been categorized based on the technique used to post the payment in medical billing software. It is done by manual approach or automation, or by both. So there are two types of payment posting. The first one is manual posting and the second one is auto posting. Let's understand the manual posting first. In manual payment posting process, payment posting staff reads the EOB and log the payment details manually in billing software. As this process is done by posting staff manually, it is very essential for them to be attentive, skilled in fast typing, and have sound knowledge to read the EOB to post the payment or denial information in billing system accurately. As this whole activity is done manually, there exists some drawbacks for the same. The drawbacks of manual posting are as follows. Manual posting is a kind of payment posting which is completed by the administrative staff that usually takes a longer time to fill the information. This posting comes with an increased risk of various errors like typos that delays the payment posting and increase the need of audit process to maintain the quality. The audit team always exist there, but they do quality check on sampling basis, due to which 100% error in manual posting is not rectified or noticed. So to avoid the incorrect billing done through manual posting and to ensure the best quality posting, the process of auto payment posting has been adopted. The second type of posting, auto posting. Auto posting use medical software to automatically post payments. This system avoids the burden of copying an insurer's explanation of benefits, EOB, manually. Machine precision almost eliminates typos and mathematical errors. It can also post a payment quicker than the fastest staff member. A well-organized automatic system will display an income list, making finances clearer. Benefit of auto posting. Auto posting is a very fast process which minimizes the time of revenue cycle. Auto posting posts EOBs with more accuracy than manual posting, which helps in reducing the staffing to complete payment posting process. Auto posting requires less manual intervention, which helps in focusing on other sides of medical billing cycle. Let's move to the next topic of this video. What is the role of payment posting team in medical billing? If you still not watched my all previous videos, please click on the link showing on the screen. Payment posting team plays a very important role in medical billing cycle. Payment posting team does the accounting of the payment received from the payers against the claims submitted to the insurance companies for the health care services provided. This process involves identifying patient accounts, doctor's provider, DOS, procedure, billed amount, allowed amount, paid amount, write-off, offset amount, tax ID hash and applying the payments in the billing software. Payment posting team receives the payment file and applies the payments in the billing software against the appropriate patient account. Payment posting team does the analysis of EOBs underpayment or overpayment amount as per the fee schedule shared by the provider and notifies the same to provider or to AR team for further follow-up. Payment posting team matches the payment posted amount to actual deposit amount. Payment posting not only consists of posting the payments to the particular patient accounts, but also involves posting the adjustments, denials and accurately billing the balance to patient, any underpayment. Denials are informed to AR analyst or tier to payment posting team. Now let us see the definitions of terms which we come across during payment posting process in medical billing. EOB, explanation of benefits. It is also called as explanation of review EOR or electronic remittance advice ERA, which will be issued by the payers to healthcare providers, billing office, in order to communicate the decision taken after the determination of the claim. Once the insurance company completes the adjudication process, claim will be either paid or denied and it's called as paid EOB or denied EOB respectively. EOB contains below information: payer name, payer address, patient name, name of the patient, provider name and address, member ID number. It is also known as policy identification number. Claim received date. It is the date the claim received by payer from provider, billing office. Payment or denial date. It is the date the claim processed or denied by payer. DOS, date of service. It is the date service provided from healthcare provider to patient. CPT code, procedure code, billed amount. It is also called as charge amount for each service performed by healthcare providers. Claim billed. It is also called as document control number or transaction control number, which will be assigned by the payer for each claim as soon as they receive in their system. If claim paid, then following details are received in EOB. Allowed amount. It is an amount payer deems fair for a specific service or procedure. Allowed amount is equal to paid amount plus patient responsibility. Paid amount is equal to allowed amount minus patient responsibility. Patient responsibility. This is the balance percentage of reimbursement that the patient or his secondary insurance, if have anyone, has to pay according to his policy with the insurance company. Write-off amount. It is an amount that is waived off by the provider. Write-off amount is equal to billed amount minus allowed amount. Check number, check date, electronic fund transfer number, EFT number, EFT date. If claim denied, then it will have the following details: denial code and denial reason. Fee schedule. A listing of the allowed amount that an insurer or health plan will pay for a service based on the procedure code. Health saving account HSA, a bank account used to pay for health care expenses. Patient or patient employer can put tax-free amount into their health saving account, and this can be used to pay for patient share of care costs like deductible or coinsurance. Claim in process. Claim received and it's still in process. Offset amount. When an insurance company makes a wrong or excess payment to its providers, it would adjust the amount in its subsequent claims, and this is called as an offset amount. Recoupment. When insurance makes a wrong or excess payment to its providers, it would request the provider and recoup the excess payment from future remittances. Next is the importance of an accurate payment posting in medical billing. Assume payment posting team incorrectly posted the payments to an incorrect patient account or to an incorrect DOS of the same patient account. As we know, AR team works for outstanding balance of the claims from aging reports. Due to an incorrect posting from the payment posting team, the balance of the paid account will still be reflecting In this case, the AR team time and efforts on reimbursing the claims will be wasted as they follow up on paid claims instead of following unpaid claims. Incorrect posting also affects the accuracy of claims submissions to secondary and tertiary payers. If the primary insurance payment is not posted correctly, it is possible for the secondary and tertiary payers may get billed out incorrectly. Inaccurate posting and billing the balances for patient that do not owe actually. In this case, patient likely to be upset. This doesn't confidence in a practice. Last topic of this video is benefits of payment posting in medical billing. Payment posting is one of the most vital steps in the medical billing process, and it is also a crucial component of the revenue cycle management. Below are the benefits of accurate payment posting in the process of medical billing. 1. Solving recurring issues. Problems can exist within the revenue cycle, and they can be resolved with accurate payment posting. Payment posting in medical billing is not only limited to posting payments but also includes payment adjustments and denials. While resolving the reason for the payment denial by identifying its reason can help in preventing future claim denial. 2. Easier analyzation of revenue cycle. Whenever a payment is posted on a patient's account, an ideal occasion appears in analyzing the revenue cycle and opportunities for improvements. While doing effective analysis on payment posting, it helps in maximization of revenue cycle by improving the profitability and the functions of the account receivable departments. 3. Reduction of denial resolution time. Preventing denial is considered the most effective method of resolving these. The formula which is used in this case is to closely monitor the instructions from the various taxpayers while keeping updated on the bulletins and different correspondence from the payers while providing certain information on the coding rules. Each time the denials remain unresolved contributes to the overall accounts of the receivable days. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope I have provided you a great sort of knowledge through this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notification of coming videos.